Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on one-handed mode, and guys, how can you use your one-handed mode setting in your Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on how to use one-handed mode setting in Vivo phone. So let's see friends how to use it. One-handed mode. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it, and guys click on guys shortcuts and accessibility setting. Scroll guys and guys click on this one-handed mode, guys on from right side. And guys, let's see guys how to use it. So guys, do like that. So as you can see guys, one-handed mode is on, and guys you can use your, and guys you can adjust from here guys where you want to set. So we will set here, and guys you can use your one-handed mode like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to on one-handed mode setting in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.